Other calls, Salesforce gets a few price target hikes today, bullish calls, and that's ahead of Wednesday's earnings report, which is going to be key for another stock in the AI stratosphere that's done well. Joe, you own it. New 52-week high today. Jefferies price target 350. Citi price target 325. Morgan Stanley 350. Top pick, for one or if not more of those.
Yeah, very big earnings report this week, and also Workday. Let's follow that as well. These AI software-related names, whether it's ServiceNow, Adobe, Salesforce, they're all critically important, and I think that Salesforce is going to benefit from the acquisition of MuleSoft several years back in the AI adoption that they're ultimately going to be benefiting from. But the reason why the strategy went into the stock last April really was the improvement of the balance sheet and the acceleration of margins that was a remarkable story, mid-teens in the early part of 2022, now 3 consecutive quarters above 30%. Strength in margins, cost efficiency is being implemented perfectly, no more acquisitions, and I think that tells a good story in which you're able to focus on the future, which is the AI software adoption.
How about CVS, Jimmy? Initiated outperformed today at Leerink, price target to 88. It's at 76, as you see. They cite headwinds, but lots of cash potential with the biz model update.
Well, I think the cash potential is the reason to own the stock. Being more specific, last year around this time, they made 2 acquisitions, Oak Street and Signify. They were big acquisitions. They had to take out some debt to pay for those, but they were strategic, and now they're starting to generate cash flows. With those cash flows, the company is paying down debt and buying back shares. Shares traded 9 times earnings, 3.5% dividend yield. Recently got knocked down off of 82, and that was on the back of the fourth quarter results with medical loss ratios higher than expected. Folks, that's been digested by the markets. I think the strategy is in place. You let this break out above 82. That's only about 7% higher. I think it will happen, and once it does, it goes higher from there.